Welcome to the Lifestyle Channel by RachelT, where healthy meets homemade. Join the journey to better living, one step at a time.
Hey, cozy friends, welcome back to the channel. I am RachelT, and today I am finally tackling something that I've been wanting to do for a while, actually, since I started the channel. So, I'm going to organize this room into like my YouTube space. So, this is a long time coming, and this will be where I do all of my editing, my ideas, my uploading. It's going to be done here while I'm at the house. So, first things first is that this nice cozy chair that I love so much, it's got to get out of here, okay? Because I'll sit here for a few minutes before, and then I'm over here, and then I'm reading, and then I'm doing all the things, and then I'm getting me a cup of coffee or tea, and then I'm asleep. So this chair has to come out of this space. And for me, I feel like it's so important, that we just have somewhere to be. I'm a big believer of energy because I feel like when I go and sit on the couch, my body already tells me it's time to chill. It's time to watch The Love Boat. It's time to watch Dynasty. When I go in the bedroom, body already knows, oh, we about to get real chill right now. So I feel like our rooms have and they hold just different energy. They just know. Like your body just knows. It knows when I go in my workout space that it's time to work out. So I can't mix the two. The way my mind works, y'all, I cannot mix the two. I don't have that kind of self-discipline. Let's just put it out there. So I'm gonna take this chair. I'm gonna miss it so much because it's like in the perfect corners by the window, but I gotta get it out of here. So it's gonna leave out of here, and we're gonna figure out all this space together. All right, cozy friends, can you guess what the first thing is that we're gonna do? We gotta move it. And guess where it's going? It's going to the bedroom. So let's get it out of here. Of the desk, wipe that down, and then put our tables, get our tables out of the box and get those positioned where they're gonna go. Okay? Stick with me, y'all. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. I know it looks crazy now, but it'll be all right. After that, it will be lunch. Yes, lunch, because my days are planned now. So I'll be taking an hour lunch and then I'll be back. But first, let's put these tables up. All right, cozy friends, this is where the overthinking comes into play. But on the good side, it doesn't last very long. I figure it out at lunch. So I'm not sure where I want to put this one. I don't know what I want this to look like because I don't want to be boxed in like this. I guess I could be. And then if I'm sitting here, I can reach over. Well, that printer is on its last leg, so I'm gonna use my other printer that I have. I don't know, but I do know that it's 11:59, so it's time to chill out, relax, support some people on YouTube, and eat lunch. So we'll be back to figure out all of this. All right, cozy friends, this is what I'm eating for lunch. I got some seaweed, some sardines with capers, some eggs with some Kewpie mayonnaise on it and salt and pepper, and some jalapeno chips. Nothing fancy. I got 1 hour for lunch, so we will meet back here in an hour. creating, it's not just about like being productive. It's about, well, what I want it to be about is creating an environment that inspires me. So I wanted a space where I could, think out loud. I could, dream, and I can just pretty much create without limits. So this is like, I look at it like my personal lab, a place I can experiment, I can reflect, I can bring ideas to life because everything in here has a purpose. So, when I sit here, it's not just about getting work done because I don't want it to feel like work, but it's just about, creating and curating peace and clarity and creativity just all in one space. And I love that.